Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a course for having Google Drive features in Unity. For example, we can upload or download a photo at runtime of Unity to the Google Drive. And also we can download the 3D model, text or photo from Google Drive into our project or our scene at runtime of Unity. Okay, I will share the link of this playlist on the description of this video. As you can see, until now I made only 3 videos, but at the future we will have more videos. This video is for upload and download photo, and also this is the most important video in this playlist because at the beginning of this video I explained how we can connect a Google Drive account to the Unity project. So if you want to watch text, the upload download text or upload download OBG model or other videos at the future I will add, please first watch this video until this part almost. Yeah, until this part you can understand how you can connect a Google Drive with a plugin into your project and authenticate your Google Drive account into your project. After that, you can follow up the other steps for having upload, download text file, a TXT file or whatever, or OBJ 3D model or a photo. Okay, as far as I mentioned, I will share the link of this playlist in the description of this video, and don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.